So our journey with diVa's been almost 4 years at this point, and it all started with just conversation about the technology that was there and the opportunities that it could give to my patients and to our practice. And it really took off. From there, I had no idea where things would eventually go or that we would get to where we are right now. But the entire process with diVa started really just by accident and just by talking about ways that we could help our patients and about the technology that's out there and what we felt like could be improved upon. So all of those things to be realized within a matter of just 3 or 4 years is truly amazing. Usually things like that take a lot longer. So we've treated over 400 patients at this point with diVa, and they're all happy patients. They've all achieved the goals that they set out to with the treatments, and it gives us a whole new realm of things that we can help patients with in our office. So the technology with Sciton is far superior, and I think the results start there with the technology. So working with Sciton has allowed us to use the best technology, which equals eventually the best results or the best treatments. And it all starts there. So Sciton's been with us every step of the way, and as this evolved and as things changed and developed, the technology got better and better. They answered all of our clinical questions, all of the problems that we ran into with the development, and they were there to make sure that everything was addressed, that everything that could be improved upon was improved upon. They spared no expense and always were attentive to the clinician's needs for the patients. And what happened at the end of all that is you start out with the best technology, you listen to your clinicians, and then at the end what you have is a treatment that works better for patients than any other. So our whole process with diVa has just been fantastic from beginning to end, and it's helped a lot of our patients. The first day I've been able to see the campus of Sciton and the manufacturing, all of the amazing facilities that they have here. There's a lot of us here today, almost a dozen different practitioners from all over the world. We have plastic surgeons, urogynecologists, gynecologists, urologists, dermatologists, all meeting to just discuss diVa, how it's working, how can we make it better, what kind of things can we look for in the future that would make this even better for our patients. And that's a rare thing in this field of aesthetics, to have a company care enough to bring all of the key opinion leaders together to discuss how are things working, how can we make it better, what can we do with the technology in the future. So we sat around with the table today with all these specialists and just discussed our patients and our progress and our concerns and where we'd like things to go. And that's how innovation happens, and that's how good things happen, and that's how things get improved upon. Does Sciton have the best technology in the industry? Yes. Does that mean that they don't want it to be better? No, it can always be better. So that's what makes me happy to work with Sciton, and that's what we're talking about this weekend. We're putting all the minds together to say, here's how we can make things even better for our patients, and that garners a lot of trust in a company.